kids, are you ready? Now let's draw with me. Today we're going to draw a super cute cow together. First, draw 2 empty circles. These are our cow's eyes. Now inside each eye, draw 2 smaller empty circles. These are the shiny sparkles in the eyes, and now, color the space around the little circles black. Wow, the eyes already look alive. Now let's draw the mouth. Draw a half oval for the top of the mouth, and draw another half oval for the bottom. Add 2 oval dots for the nose. So cute! Now, time for the head. Here, draw a big half circle for the head. Make sure it's the same distance from both eyes. Cheeks time. Now draw big, puffy cheeks on both sides. Make them look squishy. Horns next. Here, draw a small horn on the right and another small horn on the left. Let's add the ears, nice and big. Don't rush. Draw a curved line on the right side. Now draw the same curve on the left side. Draw one arm on the right and one arm on the left. Then connect them. Legs time. Draw one leg on the right. And also one leg on the left. Amazing! You're a good artist. Now the tail. See? Super easy. Time for spots. Draw black spots anywhere you want. On the head, on the body, everywhere. They don't have to be perfect. Keep going. Look at this shape. Now use your colors. Color the spots gray. And the inside of Sears pink. And the horns light yellow. And that's it. At the end, I like to give my cow a big, happy smile line and some cute eyelashes. You're doing great! Give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Thank you all!
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.